Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So in today's video I have a Glitterbel haul. Now I ordered the gel mystery box and this one is the acrylic. So I am going to open it on camera. Oh. Okay. Oh, I hate these things. I must just get them out. Gets them out. I can't remember the price of this. I really can't remember, but oh, it's one of them pop sockets. It's kind of cute. A sleep mask. I don't really use these, but I will give it to my daughter, I guess. Right, onto the acrylics. We have a cashmere cover. I don't have this one, which is great. Where's my camera moved? I will do swatches of these. Am I the only one that loves the smell of the acrylic? My daughter hates it. Then we have grey smoke. I definitely don't have this, and I've never heard of grey smoke. I've got Gary, something Gary. I can't see. Gary Grey. What's that? Smoke grey. Grey smoke. Okay. Okay. No. What is that? Oh. Pink salmon. Not pink salmon. Salmon pink. I don't have this one. Cute. Tropical sunrise. I definitely don't have that. I've got lava lamp. Oh, this is great. I was kind of worried that I was going to get one that I've already got. Oh dear. Wow. Okay, what I'm seeing in real life and what I'm seeing on camera are two different colours. But this is like proper neon. Neon orange. Then cherry blossom. I don't have that. Oh, this is great. Okay. And then lastly, looks like a bit of a glitter one. And this is Pearl Ophelia. Is that Ophelia? Yeah, Pearl Ophelia. I think that's her daughter's name. I think that's her daughter's name. Oh wow. So I'm seeing pink and then like a holographic silver. Oh, I can't wait to swatch that. Right, what I'm going to do is get myself ready, get my swatch sticks and whatnot, and then I will be back to swatch. Right, so I'm going to be swatching the cashmere cover core powder first. I'm trying to get it right down to the bottom. Doesn't want to go. Come on. Oh, you know what? Just missing the tip. Okay. That's nice. I like that. That dried quick. I was trying to bring it down to the tip, but it wouldn't go. Okay, now we will do Tropical Sunrise. This is bright. That's better. That's better. I'm such a bloody faffer. Okay, then Salmon Pink. That's near enough the same colour as it is in the pot. I was expecting it to be dark. Right, unfortunately I got a bit of that yellow in, the orange in there. But still, it is pretty. Okay, grey smoke. I made it a bit patchy, but you can see the colour. Okay, and then cherry blossom. Okay, so that is that one. Why does the screen look dark? And then lastly we have, I think it's Pearl Ophelia. Yep. Oh gosh. I'm excited for this one. I feel like I want to give it a bit of a mix. Okay, with this one I think we're going to have to wait a few seconds for it to dry to see its pure beauty. That's what it looks like. Why is my screen bloody grey? Is it because the sun's out? Grey, I mean dark. Right, I'm going to give that a few minutes. Shit. I'm going to give that a few minutes to dry. I'm going to go hang my washing out in the garden and I will be back. Okay, so I'm back. That is all dry. That is the Pearl Ophelia. That is really, really pretty. I like that. I'll show you the other ones. Craven Bloody Oldham. And that is them. They're very pretty. Clearly that one's my favourite. Yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take good care of yourselves and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.